I'm going to start this haircut out by cutting the hair down with the 1.5 guard, and the lever is fully closed. And we're going with the grain. That means that's the natural placement that the hair naturally falls in. So the way that the hair pattern grows, that's how we're cutting it. Next, we're going to make our bald guideline. Okay, the next step is to take the clipper with the lever fully open and create a 1-inch guideline. And then now you fully close the lever, and then you're going to gradually blend up to that next guideline that you just made. And then you want to slowly begin to open the lever. Be careful not to go too high. You don't want to go above that next guideline. And just in case your clipper didn't get that bottom guideline out, you just take your trimmer and use the corner of the blade to remove that line that you may see. Now you're going to create another 1-inch guideline with the 1 guard fully open. Now you're going to close the lever . And then you open the lever halfway to go in between that 1 open and that 1 closed. So open, closed, and then halfway. Next, we're going to take the 1/2 guard with the lever halfway open and go up under that 1 closed. Now you're going to fully close the lever and go up under that. And since we cut the top down with the 1.5 fully closed, the 1.5 guard open should blend right into the top. Now we take the 1 guard and just smooth down the parietal ridge. And then at this point, it's just cleanup work. So I'm going to take the 1 guard and gradually open and close to get any dark spots. If you're an at-home user, 9 times out of 10, if you have a home clipper set, you'll get these guards. These guards came off of the Wall Pro Color Kit clipper. I think that's how you pronounce it. But they don't cut as well as the premium guards, so you'll see me go back and forth, just hitting any dark spots that I missed. So if you're an at-home barber and if you have the basic clippers that you got from Walmart, you'll probably have these guards. And you may have to fade the hair just a little bit more, but that's what you see me doing here. So I'm showing you how to do that. You just have to take the guards and go back and clean up any dark spots that you may have missed initially. And then we're just going to finish the haircut up with the line up. I wanted to give you guys a video that was really quick and straightforward to the point. I know everybody doesn't have 15 to 20 minutes to spare, so I just wanted to give you guys a really quick fade tutorial. So if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.